Okay folks, we have an exciting video today. I'm doing a collaboration. This is the first one that I tried to coordinate. It's kind of late in the Christmas season, but I'd like to tell you the person that's collaborating with me, and that would be Jinnie from Homestead Cornor. She has an awesome channel. I'm going to leave the link down below, and go check her out. She does crafts. She does things in the kitchen, holiday favorites. Around the homestead, she has chickens. She does canning and preserving, gardening, and she's got bees. So she's got quite a variety of things that she does. So go on over, hit that bell, subscribe. She'd love to have you. And if you haven't subscribed to me, please hit that bell, because you never know what's going to be on my videos. And today, oh, I almost forgot. Jinnie from Homestead Cornors is going to make fruit cake bars. That's what we're doing. I'm making a sweet fruit cake rolls, and she made sweet fruit cake bars. So here we go. Got my mixer out. I've got everything measured out. I'm going to take you in steps. So you want 4 1/4 cups of flour. And I just hope that my mixer works today, because those that follow me know that my mixer doesn't always work. I need a new one, but I don't know. We'll see. You need 2 to 4 tablespoons of sugar. I've got 4 right there. And we need 1 1/2 teaspoons of salt, and I use Himalayan salt. We like it. You can use whatever you've got or whatever you want. And yeast, I use 2 tablespoons of yeast, and I used up the last of it, and I have a new 1 pound package, but I can't find it, so I'm glad, I'm blessed that I could do this. And we need oil, and I have it right here. 1 1/2 tablespoons of oil, and 2 cups of hot water. And I'm going to get that now because I wanted to make sure it was nice and warm. So here we go. I hope everybody's having a good day. And I know it's going to be Christmas Eve coming right up, and Christmas. So that's good. I'm just going to let the water run for a minute. I don't like to leave my warm water just there when I'm trying to talk. I like it a little warm when I do it. I hope everybody's getting things done that they need to do. Might be a little warmer than what I like, but you want your water so it's warm to the touch. When you put your finger in, it's warm. Make sure you got clean hands. Then you're going to put it in like this. Then I'm going to mix this for 5 minutes. Once I mix it for 5 minutes, I'm going to bring you back and show you the next step. Let's just hope old Sally here works. Oh, there she goes. Don't want to turn it on too fast because we'll have a dust cloud if we do. And that's it. This is the part of the bread. Now, I have made bread before in this description. It's a 1 rice bread. It's awesome. It tastes great. It's all the staples you have in the house, nothing fancy. So, let me lift this up a little, show you that's what it's doing. It's got to mix 5 minutes, and I'll bring you back. On to the next step, folks, and the dough's all done. Let me get it out here. I'll show you the dough. Came out beautiful. Look at that. I want to show you the dough. When you can put your finger in and poke it, and it starts coming back up, that's very good dough. I want very little flour to work with here on my space. Very, very little. We're going to put this down. I'm going to roll it, put it down. Spank that old bread. Bread likes it when you abuse it. Really does. And this is a 1 rice bread. I want you to be able to see well. Not sure if I want to use my French rolling pin or my flour tortilla, but we're gonna start with a French. Roll all right out, just like this. And then we're gonna fill it, and then we're gonna roll it up, and we're gonna put it on the pan, just like that. This is actually very easy. If you're not a big fruit cake person, this will work for you. Oh wow, I'm hot. Today it's 50 degrees in Maine. Can you believe that? 50 degrees. That awesome or what? Okay, there we go. Just like that. Then I'm going to take some butter. I'm going to put some just like that. Everything tastes better with butter. And don't forget, this is a one rise bread. Then I'm going to take a little bit of cinnamon sugar, your choice. Put it right down like that. Then I'm going to take the fruit cake mix, and that's got cherries and pineapples and, let me see, I was just reading the bottom here. It's sun-ripe fruit cake, it's got orange and lemon, peels, cherries, and pineapples, and a bunch of different syrups, corn syrups, and all that. So then you're just going to take it like this. Just like this. Isn't that pretty? That's going to be really, really pretty. Just like that. You can be generous. Look, I only use this much. I only needed a little container, but they didn't have any. Look, I got a nice big cherry. Then what you want to do is you want to take it and you want to roll it. Just like this. So you can see me. You want to roll it. Then you want to pinch the bottom, make sure it's all together good. You want to tuck your ends in. You want to tuck your ends in just like that. Want to make sure it's done good. Okay, I'm going to bring my cookie sheet back over. Just like this. And I'll be back. Okay, I'm back to cut it, and we're just going to cut it like this. Cut it right down through. Going to bake it at 350. We're going to set it. We're going to do just like this. How pretty that is. You want your sweet rolls to be touching. Look at that. This is going to be good. And I'll be gifting this to my aunt and some of her friends at the senior center. And I'm sure Mr. R will get his share as well, because he always does. And we're going to make a glaze for the top of this, and I'm going to make them real pretty. Okay, we're going to set them on just like that. Then I'm going to show you what I do. And we're going to bake them off. And then I'm going to bring you back and we'll do the next step. I like to make mine about an inch, inch and a half maybe thick. Because when I have a roll or something, I want to bite on it. I don't want no cavity filler. Okay. See them right here? I just take my hand and I just pat them down. Pat them right down like that. And that's it. Just like that. They're going in the oven. They're going to sit for a few minutes. I'm going to let them sit for about a half an hour with a towel over them. And they'll go in the oven. And I'll bring you back. Before they go in the oven, this is what they look like. Okay. Okay, folks, I'm back. I want to show you, look at these. Now aren't these some nice honkin' rolls, sweet rolls with fruit cake mix? So now what I'm doing is I took a cup of confectionery sugar and some water. Some like it light, some like it thick. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to drizzle. I'm just kind of going to go over it like this on each one. I got nine of these, and they look so good. And then I'm gonna, you don't really have to top them off with any sprinkles because you've got the red and the green and it looks real pretty. So we have these 8 here, and I have 3 more here. And I'm just going to get my ruler here just to show you that is 2 inches high. 2 inches high by 4.5. Is that awesome or what? I can't tip these upside down, but I'll show you. They're nice and brown on the bottom. And we're going to take some green sprinkles and we're going to put it over it just like this. Then I'm going to take some red sprinkles. Hopefully they'll stick. Oh yeah. So I'll bring you back when I have them plated up.
Don't go too far.
Okay, folks, here they are right here. Don't they look really yummy? Beautiful. So this is the collaboration. This is my first one with somebody, and her name is Jinnie. And don't forget to go over to her channel because there's many things that she likes. And hit the subscribe button for me if you haven't subscribed. Please give me thumbs up so YouTube can recognize that I've got some action going on. And like I always say, you never know what's going to be on my videos. Have a great day. God bless. We'll see you tomorrow.